Well, good Wednesday afternoon. This is Rich, and markets had a pretty ugly day once again today. Saw a lot of liquidation, especially in the contracts with the spec funds are the longest, and I wrote about that in tonight's Outlook letter. The crude oil market, the funds long over 200,000 contracts in crude oil. That was one of the big markets we saw sold today, over $5 a barrel sell-off today. That's basically a 5% drop in one day. Gold down $85 an ounce. Again, big position, big long position there. Silver down $2.39 an ounce. The stock market showed the Dow down 137 points here at the end of the day. So a lot of that attributed to a firmer dollar. The dollar up over a quarter of a point again today, but it just seemed to be a day where we saw people get out of the commodity markets. Corn, no exception. The fund's still long, over 100,000 contracts of corn. So corn right in there with crude oil and with gold as far as seeing liquidation. And we saw selling in soybeans and wheat, which the funds are actually short both of those right now. So and just really a lack of anybody there to buy the market. Kind of surprised that the end users really aren't stepping in a big way at the present time. I guess if the market's going in your favor, you really don't have to step in. So that seems to be the case. Here at the close tonight, March corn down 13 3/4 at 5.80 3/4. Basically, March took the place of December. December went off the board today at noon at 5.80, and March went down to that level. The May corn down 14 cents at 5.89 1/4. January beans down 18 1/2 at $11 even. March soybeans down 19 cents at 11.10. The March cotton down 2.19 at 85.12. January rice down 20 points at 13.65. Chicago wheat, the March contract down 19 3/4 at 5.80 3/4. Kansas City March down 20 1/2 at 6.30 1/2, and Minneapolis March wheat down 14 1/4 at 8.15 3/4. So tomorrow morning we'll get the weekly export sales figures out. Also we'll get long-term weather maps. Those come out on the third Thursday of every month, so we'll get to see those in the morning and be able to share some of those with you at our third Thursday marketing meeting tomorrow morning. So if you hope you can make it and join us for that, and we'll kind of give a rundown of the markets, where we've been and where we hope to be going here after the first of the year. Have a good day. We'll talk to you in the morning.